Hey guys, here's the finished result from a 3-inch Machinist Clamp Kit. Enough materials and hardware and instructions for 2 complete clamps. I wanted just to give you an idea of the packaging process. First thing we're going to do is fold up our box. Order came in around 2 o'clock this afternoon. It's now 7 in the evening. This will be picked up at the post office about 9 o'clock tomorrow morning and start its journey. On this side, "20-inch piece of tape." There we go. We got a good solid foundation there. Next goes in the drawing package. 15 pages of goodness. Every shipped order gets a store sticker. We'll put that on nice, and that slides right in the box. Plans are not folded, they ship flat. Next up is the 4 different sizes of sticks, 12L14 and some tool steel for the various pins and the handles on the clamps. These get tucked in the bottom. The jaws and various brass components. They get tucked right there. There's all the screws. There's our plates. We'll slide our plates in there with the screws. Double check, we got 4 and 4. These get tucked over on the other side. Two more sheets crumpled up for fill. For fill, so nothing can slide around. Close it up snugly. Just a couple of pieces of clear tape to hold it here for a second till we get the major tape going. There we are, a 20-incher. 20-incher right across the seam. Another 20-incher. Like so. Trim these corners. Got to work a little bit fast before the adhesive dries out. There we are, an 11-incher. As repetitive tasks go, this taping is not too bad. There's something satisfying about pulling that handle on my new machine and having the tactile feeling of spreading this tape down on the box. Always thinking of whoever it's going to. Another 11-incher. I got that syndrome. Four-incher. There we have it, guys. 3-inch Machinist Clamp Kit, the complete kit. The shipping label goes here. Gets tied down with clear tape. Completely covered with clear tape, so it's waterproof. These packages have gone to Australia, the UK, Finland. No issues, I'm glad to say. I upped my game considerably with the tape machine and the packaging. Thanks for watching, guys. Kit's available at the store. Check it out. Thanks. Bye.